Hey there, aspiring course creators. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to walk you through a detailed step-by-step guide on how to create and sell your very own online courses. It's estimated that by 2025, the global e-learning market will be worth over $325 billion. So, if you're looking to share your knowledge with the world and make some money in the process, creating and selling online courses is a great way to do it. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Identify your niche. The first step in creating an online course is to identify your niche. Think about your passions, skills, and areas of expertise. It's essential to choose a topic that you're knowledgeable and enthusiastic about, as this will help you create engaging and valuable content for your students. Take some time to brainstorm and narrow down your options to find the perfect niche for your course. Step 2. Research your target audience. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to research your target audience. Who are the people that would benefit from your course? What are their needs, pain points, and goals? Understanding your audience will help you tailor your course content to meet their needs and ensure its success. You can use online forums, social media, and surveys to gather insights about your target audience and fine-tune your course offering. Step 3. Plan your course content. Now that you know your niche and target audience, it's time to plan your course content. Start by outlining the main topics you want to cover and then break them down into smaller, digestible lessons. Make sure to include a mix of teaching methods, such as video lectures, quizzes, and interactive activities, to keep your students engaged and motivated. Consider creating a course outline or curriculum to help you stay organized and ensure you cover all the necessary topics. Step 4. Create your course materials. With your course content planned, it's time to start creating your course materials. Invest in quality equipment, such as a good camera, microphone, and editing software, to ensure your course looks and sounds professional. Remember, the quality of your course materials will directly impact your students' learning experience and the perceived value of your course. Take the time to create engaging and visually appealing content, and don't be afraid to seek help from professionals if needed. Step 5. Set up your online course platform. Once your course materials are ready, you'll need to choose an online course platform to host and deliver your content. There are many platforms available, such as Teachable, Thinkific, and Kajabi, each with its own features and pricing structures. Consider factors like ease of use, customization options, and payment processing when selecting the platform that best suits your needs. Once you've chosen a platform, set up your course by uploading your materials and organizing them into a user-friendly format. Step 6. Price your course. Pricing your course can be a bit tricky, but it's an important step in the process. Consider factors like the value you're providing, the time and effort you've invested in creating the course, and the prices of similar courses in your niche. It's important to strike a balance between offering a fair price for your students and ensuring you're fairly compensated for your time and effort. Step 7. Market your course. With your course created and priced, it's time to start marketing it to your target audience. Utilize social media, email marketing, and content marketing strategies to spread the word about your course. Consider offering a free webinar or mini-course to give potential students a taste of what they can expect from your full course. Collaborate with influencers or other creators in your niche to reach a wider audience. Don't forget to track your marketing efforts and adjust your strategies as needed to maximize your reach and conversions. Step 8. Gather testimonials and reviews. As you start to gain students, make sure to gather testimonials and reviews from those who have completed your course. Positive feedback from satisfied students can be a powerful marketing tool, helping to build trust and credibility with potential new students. Encourage your students to leave reviews and share their experiences with others. Step 9. Continuously improve and update your course. Finally, remember that creating a successful online course is an ongoing process. Continuously gather feedback from your students and use it to improve and update your course content. This will ensure that your course remains relevant, valuable, and engaging for future students. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating and selling online courses. Remember, it takes time and effort to create a successful course, but with dedication and hard work, you can create a valuable resource for your audience and earn money doing it. Thanks for watching. Please comment and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.